Well, thanks for visiting us at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Storms are out, cooler air is in as far as your Monday, and even though it looks like a spring day with everything in full bloom out there, it will actually feel more like winter as we'll have kind of a cold north wind this morning. Wind speeds will come down a bit this afternoon, but highs will struggle to reach the 60s today. Actually have many locations topping out in the 50s, but the storms are off to the east. We're still dealing with some cloud cover this morning, and it's the only question mark about the forecast today is just how much cloud cover we'll see through the day. I've kind of kept us partly to mostly cloudy, but we should see some sun break through in at least some areas, which will start a very slow warming trend. Pretty cold this morning. We have temperatures down into the 40s, and where we're in the 50s will eventually fall into the 40s as that cold north wind, which I know many of you probably kept you up late or has you up early. Those gusty conditions that continue. Sustained winds at the moment still between 10 to 20 miles per hour, but we'll see those winds gradually come down by the time we make it into the afternoon. About a steady 10 mile per hour breeze, and should see those winds dropped into the 5 to 10 mile per hour range later this afternoon and into this evening. There's your forecast. Highs. Normal high this time of the year about 76 degrees, so we're running a good 10 to 15 degrees below normal, even 20 degrees below normal in some areas as we'll top out in the 50s along I-30, low 60s I-20 and southward, and FUTURECAST showing, again, some of that cloud cover passing through at times this morning. I don't think we'll see as much sunshine further to the south as what FUTURECAST is telling us, and likely going to see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies again tomorrow. We have a little disturbance that will make its way in. I've kept rain chances out of the forecast, but it is possible we could see just a quick pop-up shower on your Tuesday, especially along the northern Arklatex there, but nothing as far as any thunderstorm activity, and no severe weather threat for us as we continue through the remainder of the work week. Here is a look at your rainfall potential. There you have it. That's why I'm not putting any rain in the forecast. Really, everything stays off to our north, and if we do see a few raindrops, not going to be much. Will be a cold night tonight, 30s and 40s. Everybody above freezing, but we may see some locations north of I-30, including Annabelle and DeQueen, potentially fall into the low to mid 30s, but everybody else should be safely above freezing. But a pretty chilly start to your day Tuesday. Cool again tomorrow. We'll start a slow warming trend, especially Thursday. We'll be back into the low 70s. Thursday and Friday setting up to be just gorgeous days for us. Have a slight chance of rain Friday and Saturday. Looks like there is another system. Pretty good agreement with the forecast models bringing in some more thunderstorms late in the upcoming weekend. The way it looks now, it's a long ways out, but the severe weather threat won't be as high as what we saw yesterday, but we may see maybe some low-end potential for severe weather, so we'll keep you updated on that as we continue through the week. Overnight lows staying cold through at least Wednesday, back into the 50s late this week and into the weekend.